Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon X and Y on iPad. Directly playing Nintendo 3DS games on an iPad is not officially supported by Nintendo. Many people explore emulation as a potential method to achieve this. However, this approach often requires specific software and a good understanding of technical processes. It is important to consider the legal and ethical implications of emulation before you begin. An emulator is a software program designed to mimic the hardware of a game console, allowing its games to run on different devices. To play Pokémon X and Y, you would need a specific Nintendo 3DS emulator. These types of applications are generally not available on the official Apple App Store. The performance you experience will depend significantly on your iPad's processing power. Installing emulators on an iPad typically involves sideloading applications, which means installing them from sources other than the official App Store. This process can be complex and might even require jailbreaking your iPad, which carries inherent risks to your device's security and warranty. You will also need to ensure your iPad has ample processing power and at least several gigabytes of free storage. Before attempting any complex installations, always back up your iPad's data to prevent loss. Be extremely cautious of potential security risks associated with downloading and installing unofficial software from unknown sources. Always verify the legitimacy and safety of any emulator software before proceeding. Ultimately, playing Pokémon X and Y on an original Nintendo 3DS console provides the most authentic and intended gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.